Welcome to this ReTech video provided by the Life Sciences team. This video targets those companies responding to the COVID-19 pandemic by deciding to prepare alcohol-based hand sanitizers for public use. I want to first quickly send out a big thank you to those companies producing these products, as hand sanitizers are a critical part of the containment and prevention of the coronavirus disease. In this video, we will review the FDA policy for preparing alcohol-based hand sanitizers as defined in a FDA guidance released March 19 and then updated on March 27, 2020. We will also identify where ReTech can assist you in meeting the related regulatory guidelines. Because hand sanitizers are intended to prevent a disease, the FDA considers these products a drug and has multiple regulations surrounding their preparation and commercial distribution. In response to numerous companies, many of which are not currently registered as a drug manufacturer, wanting to prepare hand sanitizers to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, the FDA released a guidance document that curtailed some of those regulations during the public health emergency declared by the Secretary of Health and Human Services, as long as certain guidelines are followed. We will review the 8 critical guidelines found in this FDA document. Encourage you to refer to the actual FDA publication for details. The first FDA guideline specifies the ingredients to be used in the finished hand sanitizer product. You can either use alcohol, specifically ethanol, or isopropyl alcohol as an active ingredient. The other ingredients include glycerin, hydrogen peroxide, and sterile water. Guideline number 2. If alcohol, that is ethanol, is used as the active ingredient, it must be denatured either by the alcohol producer or at the point of preparing the finished hand sanitizer product. The denaturing process must use one of the listed denaturing formulas, 40A, 40B, or 3C, as defined in the Code of Federal Regulations, Title 27, Part 21. Guideline number 3. The FDA formula defines the concentrations by volume of the active ingredient, ethanol or isopropyl alcohol, and the other ingredients, glycerin, hydrogen peroxide, and sterile water. Note that no other active or inactive ingredients are allowed in the finished product, such as dyes, flavors, or scents to improve the color, taste, or smell. Guideline number 4, the manufacturing company needs to ensure the quality of the finished brand sanitizer by checking the accuracy of the process and formula, and keeping records to document the key steps and controls of each production batch. Guideline number 5, the hand sanitizer product must be prepared under sanitary conditions and by well-maintained equipment intended for this production activity. Guideline 6, the manufacturer must use an accurate analysis method to verify the alcohol content in samples of the finished hand sanitizer product before each batch is released for distribution. The FDA allows various analysis methods to be used as long as the accuracy is appropriate. Guideline 7, the finished hand sanitizer product must have a product label that includes product information, concentration, intended use, total volume, etc. And it also includes a drug facts table. The FDA guidance document includes sample labels of 4 combinations of ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol as the active ingredient formulation, and the consumer or healthcare personnel as the intended user. And the final guideline number 8 involves reporting regulatory information to the FDA. The hand sanitizer product must have a national drug code, NDC. The NDC is comprised of 3 numerical values, a labeler code, a product code, and a package code. The FDA assigns the labeler code to drug manufacturing companies. If you don't already have one, you will need to request one. The product and package codes are created by you, the labeler. You must register your manufacturing facility, that is your establishment, by reporting the company name, address, business operation, contact information, etc. to the FDA. And the hand sanitizer product must be listed. That is, various product data elements and label images need to be reported to the FDA. All these FDA submissions make use of special XML files identified as Structured Product Labeling, SPL. We here at RETEC have over 15 years of experience helping drug manufacturers comply with FDA establishment registration and drug listing requirements. We offer an outsourced service that quickly and easily creates and submits the SPL files to the FDA on your behalf. This expert service includes friendly instructions in assembling your product data and has no software learning curve that would delay placing your hand sanitizer on the market. Please contact us. We would be glad to explore how we can be your partner in your fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.